Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the intricate world of arthritis. Join us as we delve into the definition, pathophysiology, clinical presentation, diagnosis, treatment, and management of this complex condition. Arthritis is a group of inflammatory joint diseases that affect millions of people worldwide. Let's begin our exploration by understanding what arthritis is and how it impacts those living with it. At its core, arthritis involves inflammation of the joints, leading to symptoms such as pain, stiffness, swelling, and reduced range of motion. This inflammation can occur due to various factors, including autoimmune processes, degenerative changes, and systemic conditions. To truly grasp arthritis, we must delve into its underlying mechanisms. Inflammatory arthritis, such as rheumatoid arthritis, involves an overactive immune response that targets the synovium, leading to joint inflammation and damage. On the other hand, degenerative arthritis, like osteoarthritis, arises from wear and tear on the joints over time. This process involves the breakdown of cartilage, inflammation of the synovium, and alterations in bone structure. Arthritis manifests in a variety of ways, making its diagnosis and management a challenging task. Common symptoms include joint pain, stiffness, swelling, and difficulty performing daily activities. These symptoms can vary in severity and may affect different joints throughout the body. Some individuals also experience systemic symptoms such as fatigue, fever, and weight loss, particularly in autoimmune forms of arthritis. Diagnosing arthritis requires a thorough evaluation, including a detailed medical history, physical examination, and diagnostic tests. Laboratory tests, such as blood tests and imaging studies, help identify inflammatory markers, assess joint damage, and rule out other conditions. Additionally, classification criteria and scoring systems aid in establishing a definitive diagnosis and monitoring disease activity over time. Early and accurate diagnosis is crucial for initiating timely treatment and preventing long-term complications. Treatment and management of arthritis aim to alleviate symptoms, improve joint function, and slow disease progression. Pharmacological interventions, including non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drugs, and biologic agents, target inflammation and modify the underlying disease process. Non-pharmacological approaches, such as physical therapy, occupational therapy, and lifestyle modifications, complement pharmacotherapy by enhancing joint mobility, strengthening muscles, and promoting overall well-being. The prognosis of arthritis varies depending on the type, severity, and individual factors. While some individuals experience mild symptoms and respond well to treatment, others may face chronic pain, disability, and complications such as joint deformities and cardiovascular disease. Early intervention, comprehensive care, and a multidisciplinary approach are essential for optimizing outcomes and improving quality of life for those living with arthritis. As we conclude our exploration of arthritis, we hope you have gained valuable insights into this complex condition. Remember, education, awareness, and support are key in managing arthritis and empowering those affected by it. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness. Until next time, stay informed and stay healthy.